how to use the S curve to go along a curve. Now I've started off in the middle so I could go that direction first, but you need to consider your guidelines on that curve. So I'll just show you on this side, and at the moment I'm lining up that line on the ruler with the line underneath the guideline on where I want it to go. And I'm just going to do the first half of the S to that guideline. Then I need to swivel the ruler so that the other half of the circle matches up with the guideline over here. It works better with when you're actually on the quilting machine. There's a little bit of play in this pencil in the hole of this drawing wheel, so that's why it's not absolutely perfect when it crosses over. It's actually easier when you have the needle and you're using it on your machine. Okay, so again I'm lining up the halfway mark on that half circle, and when I get to there I will rotate it to line up the mark on that side there. So lining this one up to do my half a circle, and that's as far as I'm going to get. So now I'm going to line up the two lines, so I can see that line there and that line there. So I need to swivel that back around so that both that one and that one is touching your curve, your guideline that you're running these onto. So I can go back to there, and then again we need to swivel to line up that line with the direction that you're going. So we're lining up that one and that one. And then we're lining up this with our guideline to get back to the beginning, and the same with this one to get our last half a circle in. And that's how you can, these little wobbles are purely because the hole in this particular drawing wheel, I get some wobble depending on how sharp I have my pencil, but it will be different when you use the needle in your machine. So that's how you can get your pearls to actually follow a shape. And that shape there was actually using Beth Ann's Lily Lines ruler, Lily Lines 1, and I simply used this and a guideline on her beautiful rulers to get the curve that I wanted. You can imagine you could repeat that across a border. You could fill in on either side in some way, and you could come up with quite a unique border design or sashing design.